Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2018 Toyota Camry XSE V6. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors with signals, a perimeter alarm, lightly tinted glass, and much more. 19-inch black machine finish alloy wheels, performance tires, fully auto projector beam, daytime running auto high beam headlamps with delay off, and a strong 6-cylinder with only 6,464 miles. A shark fin antenna, LED brake lights, quasi-dual exhaust, sleek badging, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. We can't forget about the panoramic sunroof, the front row power heated perforated leather bucket seating, dual zone auto climate, a garage door opener, push button start, a heads up display, a leather sport steering wheel with convenience controls, the entertainment and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.